There is a person is there named with William. William. Okay. He was the stockbroker in the New York stockbroker. He admitted something honestly. He accepted something honestly for 18 years. 18 years. For 18 years, he hardly smiled at his wife in the morning, just hardly 2 or 3 times. Very horrible, right? Very horrible, right? In the 18 years, man, 18 years, and he never smiled. Smile is not there on his face, man. Okay, just 2 minutes or 3 minutes, she is going to talk that or some breakfast or something like, and then with very serious face, he will go to the office. Next in the middle also, watchman, good morning, sir, like, going. Next in the subway, sir, change. Sir, please take the change, like, he never going to see his face also. Array, who is giving answer? Give it. And then go to the office. If the customer is coming, sir, my requirement is so and so. You don't want to see his face also, man. Okay. Keep. Tomorrow, please come. That's it. Have you ever saw such type of people? Multiple, right? Very serious, man. Morning to evening, very serious. Then he saw in some news article. He know that he's a very serious person. He saw, why don't you try? He saw this type of thing is not recommended. You can change this attitude. You can mingle with the people. You can enjoy the day. You can enjoy the environment. All the things it's going to be happen. Okay, these people are going to miss something like he saw one wonderful article somewhere. He saw his very serious face in the mirror. In the mirror, he saw one morning, very serious face. Why don't you try just for 7 days? Let me remove this bloody serious face. Just for 7 days. Like he took the challenge. He took the challenge, self-challenge. I want to remove this bloody serious face. Okay, for few days, at least 1 week. 1 week, let me take self-challenge like that. He decided that day morning. And then after deciding, the first person who is going to meet is his wife only, right? Darling, how are you? Can you please bring chai? Something like he asked. Then what is the feeling of that lady? Hey, my husband got some disease, it seems. My husband got some disease, it seems. Like she felt by listening that word back with full smile face. Okay, darling, can you please bring one chai? Like she felt a really 18 years onward. She never saw smile on his face and this type of friendly behavior. It's always been serious. Sir, Tiffin, give such type of person. Then immediately, this lady got shocked like anything. Hey, any disease happened for my husband? Like, then he saw that. Don't get shocked. Today onwards, I will be like this only. Don't get shocked. Today onwards, I will be like this only. Okay? It touched her. And then he's telling that lady, shocked like anything. And then, get ready, come down. Security person is there. Every day, security person is going to visit this person. He never going to see his face also. That's why he stopped wishing. He stopped wishing. This person came. Good morning. Good morning. Like he kept his hand on his shoulder. How the things going on? Have you completed breakfast? Security wala got shocked like anything with this person. Yeah. I came here almost 4 or 5 years before. In the 4 or 5 years before, he never had a talk with me. But every day I'm seeing this person, the most serious person. But today, what happened to this person? He kept his hand on my shoulder and then, Hare, how are you? Have you completed breakfast? Like, got shocked like anything. Then he go to the office, subway, money. He wished. He saw his face. He saw his face. He saw in his eyes. And then directly, he's communicating with a friendly nature like that. Even in office also. Stockbroker, he's the stockbroker, right? In the stock exchange. There also, every person is going to meet is wishing. Then after 1 week, one person used, sir, I thought that you are a bit rigid person. We can't communicate you with you normally, like we decided already, but your originality, the difference, you are completely my expectations. No, no. Okay, you, oh, what a wonderful, wonderful person you are. Like that person, one person from his office, he gave such a type of feedback. He's feeling very light, and then he's enjoying every moment of his day. Just after 2 months, his wife told one statement. For the last 18 years, what I missed, in the last 2 months I got. In the last 2 months I got. Thank you. Like, can you please observe that? With our seriousness, with our mood, with our attitude, with our ego, how much beautiful life we are missing, man. Okay, not only life, our lifespan is going to be reduced. BP, sugar, cholesterol, heart attack, paralysis, all these things are going to come with with that mentality. The person who is going to change this mentality, happy life, smile face, friendly nature, he can enjoy every day, man. The butterfly, how is going to fly? No, butterfly, how is going to fly? With fully happiness?
Yeah.
That feel you are going to get. In Telugu, we have one wonderful song is there. ఎగిరిపోతే ఎగిరిపోతే
ఎంత బాగుంటుందో
ఎగిరిపోతే ఎంత బాగుంటుంది అనే ఒక సాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. వండర్ఫుల్. మై ఫేవరెట్ హీరోయిన్ మూవీ. ఓకే, సో so like that feel you people are going to get, man. That's why highly recommended. Remove that bloody serious face. Keep that face, throw into the dustbin. Happy life, smiled face, friendly nature, mingle with the people, enjoy the world, enjoy the nature, enjoy the people, enjoy the communication. So that kind of thing must be required. Whenever you are seeing, hurry, you won't give your properties, you are not going to give your assets, man. Just I'm very happy to see you. Why don't you create that impression on your face? No one is going to ask your properties. Don't worry at all. Okay? Remove that bloody serious face. 18 years, that lady, his wife, how much struggle she had. Can you please imagine? She never going to feel that is a home. She always going to feel that is a hell. We can make our lives, our environment is a heaven, man. That thing is there in our hand only. Always scolding, always frustration, angriness, sadness, worriness. Okay, you are not only damaging yourself, you are damaging total family. You are damaging your work environment. Okay, so any changes are required from your side? Can you please cross check yourself?